Nining Jo Acholi, good evening. Digo Iru, Wala Cheng. Greetings to you, Manchaha Gilabachuli, and Jacqueline Ikango Kot. This is the third session, Mingo, Kwan Gilabachuli. Wamera boy is not on the line. She's occupied tonight. So I decided to just go ahead. I'm not feeling too good anyway. Kwana manok, no gi book mingoni. Tekwaro, Chuli mi South Sudan mo choy by. Saturnino Onyala, a bit of Aquana in the first two sessions, make one gleba Julie. One Aquano, I want to continue at page 3, will it page me a dig. Amiro Tirologmingoni, Northern Luo mi Sudan, Kadong Adonyo Kiri Central Luo, Uganda, Kidma, Saturnino Onyala, gonna found a research pad. Okay. Hmm. So bear with me. Ka ba kwan ke mama be ukwan ko ra bene wu body comment so I can see how I can improve. Ange kwan ga wing my back ko podi uri mo ko nying mo no wa yang ba wing before I struggle ge kwan na kila ba joli your numbers after me a chill type podi a tia ponya ne once I get used to Kwano, Kironying mo get numbers more, I'm sure reading Para will improve and it will be a lot smoother so it's easy. It will make understand Ngamatia Kwana Nene. Mm, so because Lapachul is very important, it will me preserve culture too. I'm trying really hard to me improve it. By Kwano book, we'll videos, we'll having guests, a channel any. In Kitty available, Kimera join channel 12, please do. Send us a private message to either myself on Facebook at Tito South Sudan, and Lamera Ali Sokot, Tito Ali Sokot, and official page to our ini mi Chaga Gilaba Chuli Facebook and learning of Chaga Gilaba Chuli. YouTube channel to Atingo Chaga Gilaba Chuli. Segment mi Kwan Gilaba Chuli within Chaga Gilaba Chuli, okay? So please follow page to our, subscribe YouTube channel to our, leave comment on how we can improve. Okay. I'm not feeling so good, so I'm just gonna read the section Miginane, Northern Lumi Sudani, Atiko Kenyuka Donyo page 3. And then maybe I will pick up again tomorrow, okay? Okay. Lawuni or Lawuma Jabirika Kwano section Northern Lumi Sudan. The author was discussing Shilu kingdom. Kinma dumo gi poga kerege nikangi lobongo gima gi charyo Uganda ni. Okay. Mano achahango the rest of discussion regarding Kinma Chuli or Lalum Charyo Uganda. I mean, Kirigi Sudan, yala don't cut down your central loom in Uganda. Okay. So, Ochaha Ningo, Dano mi anyoak o maro gero udi megi idok nam. Gin bene goho le pajo jo anyoak o poke I ie ario. Dano mokene tie Sudan ka jo mokene tie I Ethiopia. Ikabedo ma gilungo Gambela. Duan wacho ni dano mi anyoak ma tie I Sudan wel megi tie ili pier bichwe ario ka wel anyuak ma tie Ethiopia tie ilip pier ariyo abichiel. Piman wel jo anyuak ma tie Sudan ki Ethiopia duchu tie ilip pier abiriyo aboro. Dano mi joruchol duchu tie ikin ilip pier abichiel ki ilip pier aboro. Dano megi kwo iwaw tonj ki awil districts. Ento poldano mi jorchol tie iwao mapel udichi alel don excuse me, my battery's dying. Barmayen ki umbili. Jorchol gin puru poro dok bene gin guaha le mapajo chalo diri romi gi diangi. Dwan wacho ni jor chol bene gin obedo lotino padumo. Lokwar nyo lokor nyo pari gin bene anjoni. Oweko lobo mi bar alkazal ikin mwaka ili bachiel gi mia bichiel AD gin obino ogero gangi abichiel i tegot lafon. Dano megi okwo i tegot ma ni Chaka i mwaka ili bachiel gi mia bichiel AD nyo kwede i mwaka ili bachiel mia bangwen gi pier bangwen adek i kare ma lomuoj pa Arab owang'o udi megi. Ka jo pari oket ogero i kabedo maparapat. I Kwan nyo census ma otimo i mwaka 1482 onungo ni wel dano mi lokoro tie i liba 11. So I'm not gonna go into Central Rural Uganda. I'm not feeling too good. Let me know how I did. Please join Kaimi Pajok, me, Clan Mohammed Acholi. Join the show, send me a private message. I'm Jacqueline Nikango Kot, Manchagi Leb Acholi. I appreciate you all, and I hope to see you guys all again tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Have a good night, or good morning, or afternoon. Okay, bye.